Hello students, how are you? Good morning. Yes, I have started getting the homework, but not from all of you. Only few of you are sending me homework. Keep sending me homework on a regular basis. Okay? I am waiting for your homework. Great. Now we were doing chapter rational numbers. Okay? Chapter rational number where we have done many things. We have learned the properties, we have learned equivalent rational numbers, we have learned positive negative rational numbers, we have learned how to make draw a number line, we have learned absolute values, and in the previous lecture we have learned addition, subtraction and multiplication also. So now we will learn division also. Division we have done little bit in the previous lecture, but now we will do further of that. And in today's lecture we will learn how to find rational number between two rational numbers. If two rational numbers are given like 2 and 3, like 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, if I tell you to find three rational numbers between them, then that process you have to learn. Okay, between two rational numbers we can find infinite number of rational numbers. Okay, when two rational numbers are given, we can find infinite number of rational numbers between them. But don't get afraid, please. We won't tell you to find infinite number. We'll just tell you to find 2, 3, 4 or maximum 5. Okay, so if you learn the procedure, you can do that quite easily. So we are starting the work with division of rational numbers. Okay, so what we'll learn first of all? Division. Division of rational numbers. And how to find that? If I will give you 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. How to solve it? First number as it is. At place of divide we will write multiply, and the number after division sign we will write reciprocal of that. Then we will write 5 upon 4. Okay. We were here having 4 upon 5 after division sign. Division has been changed to multiplication, and this fraction, rational number after division sign, that we will have changed to reciprocal. Now we can reduce it. What we got now? Let me write it here so that you would understand it better. 5 upon 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. We can reduce it. Now we'll get 1 into 5, 3 into 2. So we got 5 upon 6. This is the answer. Okay. So now we'll start the exercise. We have done exercise 3.2, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And few questions, few parts I have given to you in homework. Now we'll move further. Exercise 3.2, question number 6. He said, find the product of the following. First we have to find the product. Minus 14 upon 15 into 5 upon 24. Multiplication, how do we do? We do straight. Or we can cancel numerator as well as denominator, but with the same number. Like if I will divide it by 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 50. I have divided both the number with 5. Then 2 sevens are 2 12s are 24. I have divided 14 and 24 by 2. So we have to be careful that we have to divide by the same number. Now what do we get? We get minus 7 into 1, 3 into 12. So we get minus 7 upon 36. Okay. Second part, B part. 3 by 7 into minus 4 by 9 into 1 by 2. Again 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what do we get? 1 into minus 1 into 1, 7 into 3 into 1. So what we get? 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So we got minus 1 upon 21. Our answer is minus 1 upon 21. This is the answer. Next part. C part. 19 upon 27 into minus 63 upon 95. Now if you have learned the table, you can do it quite easily. If you don't remember the tables, then you would think that this is very difficult. How? 19 ones are 19, 19 fives are 95. 95 is divisible by 90, and many of you don't remember the table. So first we have to learn the table. 19 divided by 19 is 1, 95 divided by 19 is 5. Now 3 9s are 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. What we got now? 1 into minus 21, 9 into 5. Now 9 and 21 can further be reduced. 3 3s are 3 7s are. So we got 1 into minus 7, 3 into 5. So we got minus 7 upon 50. Okay. So what we have learned that in multiplication we have to move straight multiplication, but we can reduce numerator as well as denominator. Last part of this question, D part. 17 upon 68, 7 upon 28, 15 upon 10. 17 4s are 68, 7 4s are 28, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So what we got? 1 into 1 into 3, 4 into 4 into 2. So we got 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay. This is the answer of question 6. Now question number 7. Find the question. It means now we have to do the division. And division we have just revised. 9 by 10 divided by 1 upon 5. How we have learned? 9 by 10, first number as it is. At place of division we will write multiplication, and number after division will be reciprocal. 1 upon 5 will change to 5 upon 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we got 9 into 1, 2 into 1. So we got 9 upon 2. Okay. Next, B part. Minus 6 by 7 divided by 4 by 14. We will write it as first number as it is, at place of division multiplication, then 14 by 4. Number after division will be reciprocal. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. We are continuously dividing, but always with the same number and only numerator and denominator. We cannot cancel 2 numerators or 2 denominators. Every time one numerator, one denominator. So what we got now? Minus 3 into 1, 1 into 1. So our answer is minus 3. Okay. C part. Minus 11, 1 by 2 divided by 23. 2 into 11, 22 plus 1, 23. Minus 23 upon 2. So what we have done? We have changed mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then divide 23. Now we will write minus 23 by 2 into 1 upon 23. 23 means 23 upon 1. So we have done the reciprocal. 23 and 23 cancelled, so we got minus 1 upon 2. Okay. D part. Minus 18 upon 20 divided by 75 upon 15. We got minus 18 upon 20 into 15 upon 75. Again we have changed division into multiplication and number after that reciprocal. 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75. 2 nines are 2 tens are. So we got minus 9 into 1, 10 into 5. We got minus 9 upon 50. Okay. Now the next part. What we have to do today, we have to find rational number between two rational numbers. So first we will do the example. Example number 27. He said find two rational numbers between 4 and 5. We have to find two rational numbers between 4. We have to find two rational numbers between 4 and 5. So first we will take LCM of this. LCM of 4 and 5. What do we get? 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers, so we will multiply them, we will get 20. Okay. Now we need the denominator as 20. So 4 into 5 upon 5 and 5 into 4 upon 4. We got this way, no, not this. We need denominator as 20, not the numerator, because we are having this. Okay. So when we need 20, we will write 4 into 20 by 20. And here 5 into 20 by 20. We got 80, 20 into 4, 80 by 20. And here we got 100 by 20. So what we have done? We have made the denominators same. So now we are having 80 and 100. And numbers between 80 upon 20 and 100 upon 20. We have to write two rational numbers. We can write any 81 by 20, 86 by 20, or you can write any two rational numbers of your choice. Okay. What we have done, we have taken the LCM. Whatever LCM is that, we have to multiply and divide the number by that, and then between them we have find the two rational numbers. Let's try one more. Example number 28. Find the rational numbers between minus 6 and 8. So first of all we will find LCM of 6 and 8. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. 2 3s are 2 4s are. LCM is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. It means LCM is 24. So now what do we do? Minus 6 into 24 by 24 and 8 into 24 by 24. Let's multiply. 6 4s are 24, 2 carries, 6 2s are 12 plus 2, 40. Minus 144 by 24. And similarly here, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19. 192 by 24. We have got two rational, between them we have to find rational numbers. We have got these two and we have to find rational numbers between them. He said find the rational numbers between them. He has not mentioned how many. So we will find only two. We will write minus 144 by 24 and 192 by 24. I will tell you one trick. When two numbers are given, one is negative, one is positive. One number you can write without thinking 0. When one number is negative, one number is positive, you can always write one number between them is 0. Then you can write any 2 upon 24. You can write 3 upon 24. You can write 191 upon 24. You can write minus 143 upon 24. You can write any. Because we have to write only 2. Let's find one more. Example number 19. Sorry, 29. 1 by 4 and 3 by 5. These are already rational numbers, they are in fractions. So let's find LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. Now when denominator we are already having and we have to make the denominator 20. So what do we do? 1 upon 4 into 5 upon 5, 5 upon 20. And here 3 upon 5 into 4 upon 4 is equal to 12 upon 20. Both are positive, yes. Now we are having 5 upon 20 and 12 upon 20. And we have to find 4 rational numbers between them. So we will write 5 upon 20, 6 upon 20, 7 upon 20, 8 upon 20, 9 upon 20 and 12 upon 20. We will not count the corner ones. 5 upon 20 which we find, 12 upon 20 which we find, we will not count them. Whatever is left, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have find these 4 rational numbers. Now we will do exercise question. Exercise 3.2, question number 8. Find 2 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 4 by 3. Then LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. 1 by 2 into 3 by 3 is equal to 3 by 6. 4 by 3 into 2 by 2 is equal to 6. 4 2s are 8. 8 by 6. Why we are multiplying? Because we have to make the denominator same. Now we are having 3 and 8 and we have to find 4 rational numbers between them. 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6, 7 by 6, 8 by 6. So how many we find? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to find only 4. So this is the answer. What we have learned today, we have done this activity that whenever 2 rational numbers are given, we can find infinite number of rational numbers between them. And what is the procedure? First, we will take the LCM. Second, we will make the denominators equal by making equivalent fractions. And then we can write fraction numbers or rational numbers between them. Okay? So your homework is to revise whatever we have done, classwork, and then you can send it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.